donated 5 computers to this school a year ago. And in fact, we are very happy to inform you that the computers are being put in very good use, and we are happy to say that they are working perfectly. Specifically, they are used for administrative purposes. And in addition, we have some equipment too that are being used in the ICT lab.
We are being supplied with equipments from PI, and these are some of them we have been using to demonstrate to the students on the practical issues so that they can be able to see and know, because we believe that as they see, they understand, and as they touch and do, they do better. So we want to be very grateful to them that it is not many, they should bring more so that the teaching can be easy for the teachers also, and the students can be able to learn properly for their future. We need more for practicals and demonstrations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed.
I want to thank this NGO for how far they have supplied us this biological and chemistry equipment for our studies, because it has helped us a lot. Because since we came in Form 1, we have never been to the lab to use the equipment, but since they brought us this equipment, we have been going to the lab to have our practical. So I want to use this opportunity to thank this NGO. May God bless them, and then may God supply them all their needs.
We are still lacking some of the equipment, so we are begging, we are pleading with this organization to bring us more equipment so that the teaching and learning can go on very well in our school.
The equipment that we have been provided with were able to help us to learn more and to do more about our studies. For example, we have the petri dish in the biology lab, which we use to mount organisms to view. And some of us, the place we are from, we are unable to observe some organisms. So due to the help of the formalin, the teachers are able to conserve the organism for us to view. And also in the chemistry lab, we have the spatula that we use to take the instruments and other things. We also have the petri dish and all of that things. We also have the test tube, the wash bottle that we use to clean the other bottles, which contains the distilled water. And also we have the forceps that the teachers use to hold smaller organisms. Also we have the handlers that we use to view organisms that are smaller for us to see and know other parts about it. We also have the microscope that we use to see organisms that we cannot see. So we want to urge you all to provide us with more equipment so that we can enhance in our learning and everything. Thank you very much.
It has helped us improve upon our practical ways, studying, and a whole lot. So we are urging them to provide us with, supply us with enough so that we can be able to do a lot of practicals and understand everything, especially the solar panel.
On behalf of the board of directors of this school, the headmaster, staff, and students, we are very, very grateful to Progress in Education for coming to our aid at a point that we need help from somebody to solve our computer problems for us. Thank you very much.
The school lacks a science lab. Science equipment, we don't have science equipment, and we need science equipment like burettes, pipettes, and all the other needed science equipment, because the students write external exams without having practicals. So we are appealing that these items be given to the school. We also need ICT equipment. We need computers and printers to be used by the students. Last year, I appealed to Progress in Education, Ghana, and by the grace of God, we received 2 computers. They have been of great help to the school, but they are not enough, and we appeal that we are given more so that our students can have practicals and be able to be at par with other students in other schools.
We are grateful for the computers given to us by PAL Ghana, and it has helped us in our assignment, research, and many more. But we will be grateful to PAL Ghana if they can give us more.
I'm very grateful to PAL Ghana for the computers they've given to us, but they are not enough. We need more. Thank you.
we received 4 computers and a printer from Pi Ghana some few years back for the use of students for academic work. Fortunately for us, our PTA has provided us with computers for the use of students. So our computer lab is well equipped. So we put the computers provided to the typing office, which the typists use for processing examination materials. So far, these computers have been very helpful, and our exams are run very smoothly. For now, what we feel we need is equipment for our science laboratories, physics, chemistry, biology. For the chemistry, we feel if we get some glasswares, they will be very helpful, as well as models for organic chemistry. For the physics, we will need weighing instruments. Then for biology, if we can get models for life processes, they will go a long way to help us. We also face problems of energy, particularly electricity. So if our lab can be equipped with solar panels to sustain energy in the lab, that will be helpful. Thank you.
I've been using the Pi computer donated to Sugarcover Senior High School for typing the examination scripts and administrative work, and it's very helpful.
Currently, our lab is under stress due to lack of facilities. So I'm appealing to Pi Ghana to come to our aid in the provision of slides, solar panel, flip charts, and test tubes. Thank you.